Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the minds that have shaped our understanding of the universe. Get ready for a journey through time and space as we explore the top 10 physicists of all time. Number 10, Michael Faraday, the electric spark of genius. Coming up in 10th place, we start with a scientist whose discoveries literally illuminated the world, Michael Faraday. His work in electromagnetism laid the foundation for our modern electrical age. Faraday's experiments with electricity and magnetism led to the discovery of electromagnetic induction, the principle behind electric generators and transformers. He also discovered the Faraday effect, which showed that light and electromagnetism are intimately connected. Nothing is too wonderful to be true if it be consistent with the laws of nature, he once said. Number 9. Stephen Hawking, A Brief History of a Brilliant Mind. Get ready to explore the cosmos with one of the most brilliant minds of our time, Stephen Hawking. Despite living with ALS, Hawking's intellect soared, taking us on a journey to the edge of black holes and the beginning of the universe. Hawking's work on black holes revolutionized our understanding of these cosmic behemoths. He showed that black holes are not completely black but emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. His book, A Brief History of Time, became a global bestseller, making complex cosmological concepts accessible to a wide audience. Number 8. Irwin Schrodinger, the quantum enigma, and his famous cat. Prepare to enter the strange world of quantum mechanics with Irwin Schrodinger. Schrodinger developed a mathematical equation, now known as the Schrodinger equation, that describes how the state of a quantum system changes over time. This equation is fundamental to our understanding of atoms, molecules, and the very fabric of reality. But it was his thought experiment, Schrodinger's cat, that captured the public imagination and highlighted the bizarre nature of quantum superposition. Until we open the box, the cat is both alive and dead, existing in a superposition of states. Number 7, Marie Curie, the trailblazing woman of radioactivity. Now it's time to shine a light on a true pioneer in science, Marie Curie. This Polish-French physicist and chemist faced incredible challenges in a male-dominated field, yet she made groundbreaking discoveries that earned her not one, but 2 Nobel Prizes. Curie's research focused on radioactivity, a term she coined herself. She discovered 2 new elements, polonium and radium, and her work paved the way for new cancer treatments and our understanding of the atom's nucleus. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood, Curie once said. Number 6, James Clerk Maxwell, the Master of Electromagnetism. Get ready for some electrifying insights as we delve into the work of James Clerk Maxwell, the man who unified electricity and magnetism. Before Maxwell, these were considered separate forces, but he saw a deeper connection, a hidden unity, and his equations, known as Maxwell's equations, changed everything. These equations describe how electric and magnetic fields are generated, how they interact, and how they propagate as electromagnetic waves. Yes, light itself is an electromagnetic wave, thanks to Maxwell's groundbreaking work. Number 5, Richard Feynman, the quantum mechanic who made physics fun. Now let's talk about a physicist who could explain complex concepts with the clarity of a stand-up comedian, Richard Feynman. This Nobel laureate wasn't just a brilliant mind. He was a master communicator who made quantum electrodynamics, or QED, accessible to the masses. Feynman diagrams, anyone? These seemingly simple diagrams revolutionized the way we visualize and calculate particle interactions. He was known for his infectious enthusiasm for science, his bongo-playing skills, and his knack for safe-cracking. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool, Feynman once said. Number 4, Galileo Galilean, the rebel who dared to challenge the cosmos. Hold on to your telescopes, folks, because we're traveling back to the Renaissance to meet a scientific rebel, Galileo Galilean. Galileo wasn't content with blindly accepting ancient wisdom. He pointed his telescope to the heavens, making groundbreaking discoveries that challenged the prevailing geocentric view of the universe. He observed the phases of Venus, proving that it orbited the Sun, not the Earth. He discovered the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons. Now, for our third on the list, let's fast forward to the early 20th century and the mind-boggling world of quantum mechanics. Our guide is none other than Niels Bohr, the father of the modern atomic model. Bohr proposed that electrons orbit the nucleus in specific energy levels, like planets around the sun. But here's where it gets really weird. Electrons can jump between these levels, absorbing or emitting energy in the form of light. Bohr's model was a radical departure from classical physics, ushering in a new era of quantum mechanics. His work was so groundbreaking that it earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Next, in second place, we travel back to the 17th century to meet the man who gave us the laws of motion and universal gravitation, Sir Isaac Newton. Legend has it that an apple falling from a tree sparked his curiosity about gravity. Newton's work laid the foundation for classical mechanics. His laws of motion explained how objects move and interact, from a simple apple falling to the Earth to the planets orbiting the Sun. Newton also developed calculus, a branch of mathematics that's essential for understanding everything from planetary motion to the stock market. Newton once said, "If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants." Finally, bursting in the glory of first place, we've got the man whose name is synonymous with genius itself, Albert Einstein. Imagine the universe not as a static stage, but as a dynamic space-time continuum warped by gravity. That's Einstein's doing. And let's not forget his famous equation, E equals mc squared, which showed us the mind-blowing connection between energy and mass. He was a patent clerk when he revolutionized physics, showing us that you don't need a fancy lab to unlock the secrets of the universe, just a curious mind and a healthy dose of imagination. When asked to explain relativity in a single sentence, he quipped, "Put your hand on a hot stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sit with a pretty girl for an hour and it seems like a minute. That's relativity." Classic Einstein. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the lives of the greatest physicists of all time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Also, let us know which other scientists make it to your top 10. We've got a universe of knowledge to explore, and we can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.